Yeah. Fishtank OS. Burndale. Check it. Reps in the building. This the one you take to market. Let's go. Let's go. Selling AI as a button, watch them pitch it. Log in, poke around, but the adoption never sticks. It stalls the moment that the novelty within, and they switch it back to the old routine. And the tools stay stuck in this district. That's the context switching tax, and it's quietly expensive. More logins, more dashboards, and the team lose their attention. Trained them up, they still went back. That's a deeper kind of tension. The model was the broken link, so we built the intervention. This is enablement, it's exceptionalism. This AI delivered. Walk in the room with a moment that'll make them reconsider. Show them with no competitor on the market ever ended. More than a CMS line item, it's the whole enterprise picture. Cited core AI as the ecosystem. Bigger stakes, bigger figure. You the market is hero. Lift the weight, make it simpler. FishtankOS. Double platinum, you the closer you deliver. That's the difference in the room, that's the win. Pull the trigger. One line typed in Teams and watch the whole thing choreograph. Site core AI page update and run the Salesforce pipeline math. Jira ticket closing out. The email writing its own draft. One requested all fire at once. No, we're training the staff.